Plus, the Martin Luther King Jr. Commission continues its work to curb violence here in Arkansas. How they're getting it done in more ways than one.
Education matters, and the Arkansas Martin Luther King Jr. Commission is working to combat nonviolence across the state.
And they aren't just doing their work in person, but online as well. The commission is holding tech summits. At their most recent stop was at Dunbar Magnet Middle School right here in Little Rock. The purpose is to inspire, educate, and prepare children for the future of technology and innovation.
We're truly trying to advance their minds and technology and trying to allow them to embrace the future with AI and coding and many other technology that's before them.
Ashley King with our sister station Fox 16 was the keynote speaker yesterday. The commission will hold another nonviolence summit at Jacksonville High School today.